So first you have to install this app called Pixel app. We have given its link in description. So download this app and open it. This is the interface when you open Pixel app. Here you can see a delete button. You have to tap on it. Then press OK. And that text will disappear. Here you can see these three dots. Click on it and select the option Image Size. Then this box will appear. Now you have to change the width and height of the background. The width is 1546 and the height is 423. After typing, tap on OK.
Okay.
Then the image size will be like this. After this, you have to click on this icon here and choose the option from gallery. Then this type of window will appear. So you have to choose your local gallery and it's all yours. You have to pick an image as the background of your channel art banner. After choosing, this window will appear. You can adjust the image here. But keep in mind, don't tap on any of these buttons. After you are done, press on this icon. And there is your channel art banner. You can add text and images if you want to. So if you want us to make a video about how to put this banner on your channel, comment part 2. And also shout out to CUX. Thanks for your support. If you want your name to get mentioned in our next video, subscribe now. So that's all. Thanks for watching.